Today, the open road calls to a brotherhood of 9 riders. A tapestry of iron horses and adventurous souls, we set forth on a pilgrimage to a place. The secluded serenity of Yerravaram. Our journey is not just a ride, but a literary odyssey, where every turn of the wheel is a turning of a new page.
Okay, what I should do? Over.
Just a minute, brother.
After some miles of good patches, finally, the adventurous off-roading had started. Sometimes we're going uphill and sometimes downhill. But however, all of us have arrived at the destination on time.
Ali, how was your experience till now?
Thrilling.
Very good.
And now it is time to come back.